Lady Bird Deed, Michigan. What is it? Should you have one? Hi, I'm estate planning and elder law attorney Nicole Whip with the Family and Aging Law Center. In this video, I am going to be talking to you about Lady Bird deeds in Michigan. However, if you are the type of person that likes a lot more information or wants to dive even deeper into this subject, we do have a blog post that goes in depth about this topic. In my blog post, I go through all of the benefits of the Ladybird deed, how it affects or does not affect your taxes, whether you can avoid Medicaid estate recovery with a Ladybird deed, how it affects beneficiaries, and all kinds of information like that. So again, that goes beyond the scope of this video, but the information is there. So please feel free to visit that as well. So what is a ladybird deed? Ladybird deed is a transfer on death deed, which means that it transfers ownership from you to another person or persons, a trust, or other entity upon your death. I often tell people it's sort of like having a beneficiary designation for your house. So during the grantor's life, the person who executes the ladybird deed, which would be you if you're interested in this, the house remains in your name. And so you can do all the things that you would be able to do with your house, even if you didn't have this type of deed. For example, you can mortgage it, you can sell it, you can transfer it. So it doesn't restrict you during your life. It's only that it takes the ownership and puts it to somebody else or to something else, to another entity upon your death. Now, why would you want one of these? Well, one of the main benefits of doing this is it's a deed that you can execute and record right now, and then nothing really happens until after you're gone, and it helps to avoid probate. So, one of the main uses of the Ladybird deed is probate avoidance in the state of Michigan. However, one of the other benefits of a ladybird deed is that it helps preserve your house's exemption for Medicaid in the event that you end up needing nursing home care later in life. And this can be very important. However, that part of the benefit isn't always right for every single person. It really depends on the type of assets that you have and if you're doing planning to avoid Medicaid estate recovery or Medicaid poverty or any of the other things that we do in elder law firms. And so while a lot of people think that they want a ladybird deed and they want to get it right now, and they'll call up my office and they might say, I want Nicole to draft me up a ladybird deed. The question really becomes, is a ladybird deed right for you? And the only way that we're going to know that is for us to have a consultation. And so if you're considering a ladybird deed, the answer is it might be a great idea, but it also might not. Whether you should have a ladybird deed in Michigan is a highly personal and actual important legal question. And so the only way to know that is for us to talk about it. Now, this isn't painful and it actually can be very helpful to you. And so it's really something that I welcome you to do. I would love to talk to you about whether a ladybird deed in Michigan is the right thing for you. And you don't want to find out too late, right? You want to know whether it's going to be the right thing for you. The best way to do that is to get the right legal advice. I'm Nicole Whip. I'm an attorney in Michigan, and I'm here to help at the Family and Aging Law Center. So give us a call at 248 278 1511, and we'll get you straightened out.